So in this video, I'm going to talk about text alignment in HTML and CSS. So first, I'll show you how to align text center and to the right with HTML, and then I'm going to teach you how to do it with CSS. So you see, I have two paragraphs. So I have two paragraphs here inside of the body tag. And if I want to align this text center, for example, the first one, I can use something called align. So this is HTML, all right? So align equals to, and then you add two quotation marks. So right here, you can basically add center, so the word center, and as you do that, you'll notice that it will center the text. So it can center any text. Could be a paragraph, a heading, so you use that attribute to center it. And if you want to align it to the right, you basically add the word right here. So right, and as you notice, it will align to the right. Let's change it to center again, sorry. So you see, I have it centered now, but now let's say that if you want to center another one, you'll have to basically copy this attribute and paste it here. All right, so you see, this is not a good practice. It's not practical. You know, there's something that we can do instead of using the align attribute. There's another attribute that I'm going to teach you, and it's called class. So I'm going to type in class equals to two quotations, and inside of the quotations you can name it anything you want. So I will call it center, because this is going to be, you know, this will center text, or I can say center dash text. Okay, center dash text. So I'm gonna delete this attribute from here on line 13. So you see, it's not centered yet. We have added a class to the first one, to the first paragraph, but now you see it's not centered. So we will have to use CSS to center it. So inside of the head, I'm gonna use the style tag. All right, so this is the style tag, and inside of the style tag, you basically add CSS. So how do we center this? All we have to do is we have to type in dot, because it's a class, and I'm gonna type in the same thing. So I named it center dash text, and I'm going to open two curly braces. So right here, there is one thing that we can say. So we can do text dash align. So it's text like this, dash align, and then colon, and you add center. So this is how you center it with CSS. So now you see the first one is centered because we are using this class name. We can reuse this. So what if we want to center this one? This is another paragraph. Versus this another paragraph. Let's say that we want to align that center. So to do that, it's really easy. Now all we have to do is we have to select the class here and copy it and paste it here. So we basically add the same class here. And now let's say that we have an age 1 here. So you could have an age 1. So I am a header. So you see it says I am a header, and if you want to center that, you can basically add that class there too. So center dash text. So this is basically how you can do it, everyone. And what if we want to align one paragraph to the right but not the rest? Well, to do that, we can make a new class. So we can say dot, and then I'm going to say, for example, right dash text, and I'm going to open two curly braces. So I'm going to say text dash align colon right. All right, so you see text dash align right. And now what if I want only the second paragraph to be aligned to the right? Well, Paul, you know, I'm not going to do it for a second because I want you to use your brain. So you have glitched it. So instead of saying center text here, we will have to basically reuse this text. I mean the right dash text. So I'm going to type in right. Oops. So right dash text. So you see, we have selected that paragraph and we have applied right text to it. So this is basically how you can reuse CSS to, move the text elements to the middle and to the right. And by default, if you want something to appear on the left, you don't have to use any classes. So for example, you see for the middle one, I just removed the class attribute and it's by default it's going to be aligned to the left. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and let me know if you want more videos like this.